The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. What a deal! This 1,296 square foot home, including a 864 square feet garage with bonus workshop sitting on a hard-to-find level lot, is a must-see. Home boasts open living, a large master suite with his and hers closets and full bath, 2 large guest bedrooms, updated flooring, new furnace in 2017, new energy-efficient windows, newer air conditioner and much more. Homes comes complete with all appliances, most furniture negotiable, and a utility storage shed. With its location at the end of the road and within 15 minutes of Branson, in the Branson School District, this makes for a perfect place to live.